Welcome to Lakay, the new social network designed by and for Haitians. Today, I'm going to explain how transactions work on our platform and how you can receive real-time gifts with real money. Sign up and profile setup. To get started, go to our platform at GlobalInternet.py and 6.streamlit.app. Sign up with your email address, then confirm your account. Once logged in, you will be prompted to set up your profile. Add a profile picture, then fill in the following information. Full name, for example, Gesner Deslandes, software engineer. Bio, a short introduction about yourself. Location, your city or business, like GlobalInternet.py. MonCash phone number, to receive gifts. NATCASH phone number, also to receive gifts. Email, visible to your friends. WhatsApp phone number, with your country code. Profile visibility, public or private. Then, in the banking information section, you can add your UNIBANK accounts in USD and HTG, as well as your CIN card number. Receiving real-time gifts. Once your profile is set up, your friends and followers can send you gifts in real time during your posts or live streams. These gifts have real monetary value in local currency, HTG or USD, and they are sent directly to your MonCash or NATCASH account, depending on what you have provided. Every time someone sends you a gift, you receive a real-time notification. The amount is instantly credited to your mobile money, allowing you to access your funds immediately. Larger transactions. For larger amounts, we have provided 2 downloadable sheets, one in French and one in English, that explain in detail how to make a bank transfer to your UNIBANK account. These sheets contain all the necessary information. UNIBANK bank details, SWIFT, address. Your personalized account numbers, USD and HTG. Intermediary banks for international transfers. Instructions for MonCash and NATCASH transfers. And of course, your CIN number for reference. These documents are automatically generated from the information you entered in your profile. You can download them at any time from your personal space. Our commitment. I am Gesner Deslandes, Engineer-in-Chief at GlobalInternet.py. I personally designed this system to meet the needs of Haitian creators and entrepreneurs. We have built a platform that allows everyone to monetize their content and receive payments easily. Lakay is a platform developed entirely in Haiti, by Haitians, for the Haitian community. This is our contribution to the artificial intelligence revolution and technological innovation in our country. Learn more and sign up. If you have any questions or would like to join our community, sign up today at GlobalInternet.py and 6.streamlit.app. Simply use your email for confirmation, then follow the steps to set up your profile. For more information, contact us. Telephone receiver phone, 509 4738 to 5663. Email symbol email, deslandes78@gmail.com. We are here to support you in this digital journey. Join us and be part of Haiti's future. Social media post version, shorter. Welcome to Lakay, the new Haitian social network. Haitian. White heavy checkmark sign up, GlobalInternet.py and 6.streamlit.app. White heavy checkmark set up your profile, photo, name, bio, location. White heavy checkmark add MonCash and NATCASH numbers to receive real-time gifts. White heavy checkmark enter UNIBANK USD HTG accounts and CIN for larger transfers. White heavy checkmark receive gifts instantly with real money value. White heavy checkmark download bank transfer sheets in English and French. Built by and for Haitians, this is our AI revolution. Telephone receiver, 509 4738 to 5663. Email symbol deslandes78@gmail.com.